So first method, update the display adapter driver using device manager. So click to start and type device manager. You can see this one, just click on it. After that you can see display adapter, extract this, select, right click to update driver and then close it. So it is successfully installed. If you are using any graphic card, then also update this. And second, monitor, just right click and update automatically, and then close it and then close. Next, disable automatic brightness level, click to start and then click on setting, then click on system, display, then select scroll 100%, okay, and then close it. Next, the next update the registry to fixed brightness is not working, so click to start and enter run. This one, click on, then enter registry, REGETDIT, and then hit enter and then click to yes. So first computer, then local machine, extract, then system last, and then control set one, this one, extract, then control, then class, then find out 4D, first 4D, 4D36E 968. So guys, this one, 4D36E, this one, extract this, then first one, feature scroll, double click, and FD01, hit enter and then OK, and then close it. The next method, so guys, first method, click to start, type CMD and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command, so that is 4 command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter, wait few seconds, it will complete 100%, then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste, okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete, then copy second one and then just right click it, okay, when you, okay, then third one, then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this four command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.